The next bit we're going to do is creating our sections before we can format. So we're going to do the next bit, the one that it's the section will be on the left hand side of our page. So inside that section we can do maybe a login. So login link. So it will be in a paragraph. And then we can do a link. Then we create a login page maybe later. I haven't created one yet, but we can create it later. And then okay, and then we close that one here, and then we can say login. Close the link. Yep, that would do. If you have more than one link you would like to put in that section, so maybe you can put it as a list like that. But this time you're not going to do it in a line, so it's not going to be a horizontal line and like what we've done in the header, but we're going to do it a vertical one. But I only have one, so I don't really need to put the rest. So, and then I'm going to do the footer. I've already closed the footer, and the footer is really important because then you can put the copyright stuff in there, and it is really essential to add a copyright into your page and a contact us as well. Great. Okay, so you can write copyright Ormiston tutorial, for example, and then we can put a link. This link this time is just an email. So for example, if they would like to contact you, then you put an email. So we're going to use a mail too. So it's not just your email. You have to put the mail too. And then now you're going to write your email. So I'm just going to write, don't write my email into public. Dot whatever email is, and then you put a question mark in there, and now you're going to write the subject. So what do you want the email when they send? What will be the subject? Information required, for example, or it could be help required, or whatever you decide what to put. And now we're going to close that link, and then you're going to say contact us. So your link will look like that. And now we're going to close that link bit. Tap for more information. This is contact us will be linked, and then for more information just the normal words. Okay, probably I'll put the link in the paragraph as well. Okay, and that's our footer finished as well. So now the body, and save it. Okay, so we've added everything in here. You can see that's the section. This is the section. This one here is the content, and then the bottom is the footer. So because we haven't done any styling, so they're all one underneath each other. So now we're going to go and do the styling. Now the first thing is because we have more than one link. So we have the link for the contact us, we have the link for the login, and we have the 3 different links. So it's better than instead of putting the styling in only for that link of the navigation, is actually putting the styling for all the links. So what we want, because you want to do it for all the links, so it will be you do not mention navigation or anything. You just do links, That will apply the style for all of the links. So we're going to do it blue. So the link is blue. This is if it is not visited. If it is visited, we're just going to do A and we're going to do visited. And you want the color to be no red when it's visited. It's up to you, really. And now some of the things that sometimes also when the link is actually just the mouse, you put it on the top of the link, but you don't really press it or anything. So we call it hover. Let's hover above the link. And then maybe you want to do a text decoration. Now, I don't remember any text decorations, but maybe let's search a little bit and see. Links text decoration options in CSS. So you can see those are the three different things: link, visited, hover, and active. It's actually the actual link. Just do it different colors. Maybe you want, when it's hover, you want it underlined. This is the background colors. I'm thinking of different things, maybe sparkly. Oops. So you've got line through, you've got overline, you've got underline, overline. So it's really up to you. What do you want to add? So let's do it underline, overline, dotted. Okay, so let's do it. It's already underlined. Maybe overline. So I've got overflow, outside, outline width, outline style. Let's try overflow. I'm not sure what is that, to be honest. I've never tried it, but we'll just check. Okay, text decoration, color. Maybe you want it in a different color, or you don't have to, but it's up to you. Maybe hot pink, like that hot pink thing. Okay, what else? You want the font weight. Maybe you want it to be bold. Border, bottom, 1 pixel, dotted. Put another color. See. All right. Now the next bit of the link is the active. When the link is active, we can do the color green. Well, maybe yeah, we can do green because it has a border, so it should be all right. Color green, text decoration. None. All right. Let's see what we've done. Hopefully it will actually show. Okay, so you can see they're all blue. If we put it on, you can see that it's got into hot pink. That's when you hover around. And can you see that the dotted lines, that dotted line that comes when there is no dotted line now under the line of the home page, but now there is a dotted line. This is the next effect that we've done. Now when you go into it, color, and then now when you go back, that should be red. Okay, that did not take it through. When it's visited, page not found because we haven't created a page. but you can see all the effect is only the visited one. We'll just fix it. Visited red. Let's do just trying another one. Why it's not working? Oh. Nope, it doesn't work in the hover ones. Okay, we'll fix it later, I guess. Just gonna continue and then I'll check later why it's not working. Okay, so the next bit is we're going to create our sections for the headers. How would you want it to be? You want to be there, for all the others sections. So for the headers, for the section, and for the content, and for the footer. So for the first one, the header. Okay, let's say the display, like how we want it to be displayed. So we wanted a block. Position, relative, and text alignment. I'll explain all of these in a minute. Just type them in first. Okay, so that's for the header. Now we're going to do for the header and section, article, sorry. So we have section, content, and footer. Okay, I'm just checking the spelling. All right, so section, footer, and content here. That's right. Okay, so this, whatever you're going to write here, it's going to apply for all of those sections. So in general, because it's better than you do everywhere. So remember the padding, we're going to do the padding. We're going to do the padding for all directions. It's just because we have more than one sections that we would like them to be pads around. I'll explain all of these features in a minute. Just like to type in first. And I probably will type in this video and I'll explain in the next part. That's black. This 5 zeros, yes, 5 zeros. Then border, radius. You wanted 8 pixels, so and you want get border, radius dot em. But here, yeah, right now. Mouse. Now the background for again. Now the background color. FFCC. All right. Now remember in the header we have an image, so you must put formatting for the image. So I'm just gonna decide the position. Absolute. And left padding. Top